Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off sleep mode on the Instagram app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Instagram account profile page. If you're unsure how to access that, just go down to the bottom right corner and select the little profile icon. And then once you have done that, you want to then select the hamburger icon up at the top right. Where it says how you use Instagram, select where it says your activity. And then underneath where it says how you use Instagram, select where it says time spent. And then you can select where it says sleep mode in here. If you want to toggle that on or off. And then if you want to enable what time period you want sleep mode on, you could just select the corresponding days down here. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, on how to turn it on or off. If it's off, it's grayed out like you see right there. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.